Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm making a snack. Apple boat snack. Ingredients we got apple and this thing cereal, cheese, and this stick thing, and cereal, and this thing. And are you ready for my apple boat? Well, I'm just making something in the back because it's cutting up. I think Ashka is talking to me because Ashka is really slicing because Ashka's emotions hi guys, I sprinkle my apple bowl with sprinkle. So here's how the apple bowl. Well, I'm gonna do it, okay. Woo! No troubles. Okay. Sorry though. No. Hi guys, I put this cheese